Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as the perception reaction time for a vehicle travelling at 90 km per hour given the coefficient of longitudinal friction of 0.35 and the stopping side distance of 170 meter, assuming g equals to 9.81 meter per second square is. Now the stopping side distance is given as 170 meter and we need to find here the perception reaction time. So we know the formula of stopping side distance. It will be equals to 0.278 V into TR plus 0.278 V square upon 2 into G into F. Now we have the value of stopping side distance which will be equals to 170 and the value of V will be equals to 90 km per hour and reaction time needs to be calculated here. Similarly 0.278 into V, that is 90 divided by 2 into 9.81 into 0.35. After solving this, we will have the reaction time equals to 3.15 seconds. That will be the perception reaction time for a vehicle travelling at 90 km per hour. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.